If you are a lover of good homemade food, then this video is for you. So welcome sweetie to Cook with Grace Kiswell. So we have gizzard, plenty of gizzard. So we have paprika, we have masala, chicken masala. I have just 5 sticks of cloves, oregano, salt, seasoning cubes, ginger, garlic, onion, and I will stir. Okay. Um, Pepper. Then I will stir. Okay. Like I said earlier, if you are a lover of good homemade food, that it will cost you not much to achieve that delicious meal. Not only delicious but healthy. Not only healthy, also nutrition. Not only nutrition in a clean environment. Then this platform is for you. This video is for you. So, and if you find this video so helpful and interesting, please don't hesitate to give us a like, subscribe, and thumbs up so that you get notified anytime a new video pops up. And another thing, please leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about this meal. Your comments, I love to read them. So let's continue. Today's video, I'm making gizzard fried rice. And ever since I started making my fried rice this way, I've never had any issue of bad fried rice. A lot of time people said I cook my fried rice and it get bad easily. But ever since I start this method, I have never seen any regret of not using this method to make my fried rice. So without wasting much of our time, all the ingredients you need to know for the fried rice or for the cooking, I'll be listing them in the description below. And please, if you want to watch more interesting recipe of my many healthy and nutritional homemade recipe that will satisfy your cravings, please don't hesitate to click on the link in the description box below and follow the page. Okay, so let's continue. Without wasting much of our time, I would like you to share you a story. I know a lot of you don't know much about me. Now let me explain who Grace Kisui is all about. My name, like I said earlier, is Grace. The Kisui is because I love to kiss my sweeties because you all are so special to me. We are just one family in unity, and I also love this space. So there is nothing much to know more about me because I'm an introvert. I don't go out that much. Okay, let me explain more about myself. Like I said, my name is Grace. I love to kiss willingly. That is why I named myself Grace Kiss Will. I don't mean kissing people. I mean to kiss. Okay, my sweeties. Okay, so that's why I named myself Grace Kiswi. And behind my cooking, I love cooking. I have my passion. I love cooking. In the sense that I don't mind cooking for now till tomorrow. I never get tired. So if it upsets me, the only way I find myself happy or bringing myself back happy is by cooking. So you see me happy whenever I'm cooking, I'm dancing. You need to see me when doing that. But growing up, I'm this kind of person that hates house chores. Even cooking is not among what I love doing. Then back when I was growing up, I'm this kind of a lazy person. But how fate found me, I can't really tell. Or how I grew up to love cooking is a story for another day. So I will leave that story for another day. Okay. For you to guess how I know how to cook, that's the story I will keep for another day. But ever since I start cooking, I grow more love and passion. If it is my friends, they will say, Grace, if you eventually buy in this life without opening a restaurant or getting your own place or eatery, I don't think you really impact anything. So my hope and my wish and heart desire is for me to own a restaurant, a fast food, or a brand whereby people will know and come and eat. That has always been one of my heart desire, and I know God will do it for me in no distant time. So, sweetie, what do you think about this video and what do you think about this meal? At the end, I garnish with avocado, which is more healthier fat. So I love you all, sweeties, and see you all in my next video where I tell you more about how I started loving cooking. See you all. Bye bye.